Our planet is a place of astonishing diversity. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, life finds a way. We share our world with creatures of all shapes and sizes, each uniquely adapted to its environment. But what happens when the forces of nature create something truly extraordinary? What happens when the blueprint of life itself is rewritten? In 2012, a farmer in remote China made a startling discovery. A litter of piglets was born, but one stood out. This piglet had two heads, a rare and unsettling mutation. News of the two-headed piglet spread quickly, becoming a global sensation. It was a stark reminder that nature, in its infinite complexity, can produce outcomes that defy our understanding. This case, while unusual, is not unique. Throughout history, there have been reports of creatures and humans with extraordinary abilities and appearances that deviate from the norm. Are these simply hoaxes and folklore, or could there be a grain of truth, a whisper of something more profound at play? Let's delve into the world of mutations and explore the science behind these captivating anomalies. Mutations in their simplest form are changes in the DNA sequence of an organism. This genetic code, the instruction manual for building and maintaining life, is passed down from one generation to the next. These changes can be spontaneous, arising from errors during DNA replication, or they can be induced by environmental factors like radiation or certain chemicals. Most mutations are neutral, having little or no effect on the organism. Some mutations can be harmful, leading to disease or disability. However, a small percentage of mutations can be beneficial, providing an advantage in the struggle for survival. These beneficial mutations are the driving force behind evolution, allowing species to adapt and thrive in ever-changing environments. The effects of a mutation depend on many factors, including the specific gene or genes affected and the environment in which the organism lives. Some mutations may result in subtle changes, while others can lead to dramatic alterations in physical appearance, behavior, or even the development of new abilities. Tales of unusual beings have captivated the human imagination for centuries. From mythical creatures like the centaur and the mermaid, to modern-day reports of Bigfoot and the chupacabra, our fascination with the unknown persists. While many accounts are folklore or misidentification, some reports of unusual beings warrant a closer look. In Central Africa, rumors of the Billy ape, a larger and more intelligent ape, persist. Some speculate it could be a surviving Gigantopithecus, thought extinct. Others believe it may be a new species or subspecies of gorilla. In Nepal, villagers speak of the Yeti, a large hairy bipedal creature. Some suggest the Yeti could be a relic hominid related to humans. Humans are not exempt from the unpredictable nature of genetic mutations. Throughout history, there have been documented cases of individuals exhibiting extraordinary abilities or physical traits. Some cases can be attributed to known medical conditions, while others remain unexplained, challenging our understanding of human biology. One such case involves a family in India seemingly immune to pain. These individuals can endure extreme temperatures and injuries without discomfort. Scientists believe this rare condition, congenital insensitivity to pain, results from a gene mutation. Studying this family could lead to breakthroughs in pain management. Another intriguing case involves a young girl in China with tetrachromacy. Tetrachromats possess a fourth type of cone cell, allowing them to see millions more colors. This expanded color vision allows them to perceive subtle variations in hues invisible to the rest of us. Tetrachromacy raises fascinating questions about perception and the potential for genetic mutations to enhance our sensory experiences. Section 5. Nature's Experiments. A closer look. The scientific community approaches claims of extraordinary mutations with a healthy dose of skepticism. Extraordinary claims, after all, require extraordinary evidence. Thorough investigation, rigorous testing, and independent verification are crucial for separating genuine mutations from hoaxes, misidentifications, and natural variations within a species. When evaluating reports of unusual beings or abilities, scientists consider several factors. First, they examine the evidence. Is there photographic or video documentation? Are there eyewitness accounts? Is there any physical evidence, such as footprints, hair samples, or other biological material? The quality and reliability of the evidence are paramount. Next, scientists consider possible explanations. Could the observed phenomenon be explained by known natural phenomena or existing scientific knowledge? Is there a more plausible explanation than a previously unknown mutation or species? Scientists must rule out all other possibilities before attributing something to a novel mutation. Finally, scientists seek to replicate the findings. Can the observed phenomenon be reproduced in a controlled laboratory setting? Can the alleged mutation be identified and studied at the genetic level? Replicability is essential for confirming the validity of any scientific discovery. Image: a photo of scientists in a lab examining a sample under a microscope. The caption reads, "Scientists conduct genetic analysis to study mutations." The discovery of genuine mutations, particularly in humans, raises profound ethical and societal questions. How do we define normal, and what are the implications for individuals who fall outside those boundaries? How do we balance scientific curiosity with the need to protect the privacy and dignity of individuals with unique genetic makeups? The history of science is replete with examples of how differences have been exploited and marginalized. From the forced sterilization of individuals deemed unfit in the early 20th century, to the ongoing discrimination faced by people with disabilities, we have a responsibility to ensure that the pursuit of knowledge does not come at the expense of human rights and social justice. Open dialogue, empathy, and respect for individual differences are crucial for navigating the ethical complexities of genetic mutations. We must create a society that embraces diversity in all its forms, recognizing that variation is not a threat, but rather a source of strength and resilience. The study of mutations provides a unique window into the intricate workings of evolution. By examining the genetic changes that underlie variations in species, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped life on Earth over billions of years. Mutations are the raw material upon which natural selection acts, driving the diversification and adaptation of life to ever-changing environments. The discovery of individuals with extraordinary abilities or traits, while rare, challenges our assumptions about the limits of human potential. Could these mutations offer a glimpse into the future of human evolution? Could they hold the key to unlocking latent abilities or enhancing existing ones? As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human genome, we are likely to uncover even more surprises and complexities. The study of mutations reminds us that evolution is an ongoing process, a never-ending dance between chance and selection. We are but one chapter in this grand narrative, and the future of our species, like the mutations that have shaped us, remains unwritten. The possibility of encountering beings with significant genetic differences, whether through natural mutations or other means, raises fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. How would we react to the discovery of intelligent life that challenges our preconceived notions of what it means to be human? Would we embrace these beings as fellow travelers on the long road of evolution, or would fear and misunderstanding lead to conflict and division? Science fiction has long explored the potential ramifications of encountering extraterrestrial life, often depicting scenarios of first contact that range from peaceful coexistence to interstellar war. While these fictional narratives can be entertaining and thought-provoking, they also serve as cautionary tales reminding us of the importance of approaching the unknown with curiosity, humility, and a willingness to question our own assumptions. The discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth, or even the confirmation of extraordinary mutations within our own species, would have profound implications for our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It would challenge our beliefs, our values, and our very identity as human beings. Navigating such a transformative experience would require open minds, compassionate hearts, and a commitment to finding common ground despite our differences. The future of humanity, like the genetic code that defines us, is full of potential and uncertainty. As we continue to explore the frontiers of science and technology, we are likely to encounter new and unexpected challenges, including those posed by the possibility of encountering beings with extraordinary mutations or abilities. The key to navigating this uncharted territory lies in embracing a spirit of curiosity, collaboration, and ethical responsibility. We must approach the unknown with a sense of wonder and a commitment to using our knowledge for the betterment of humanity and the planet we share. The study of mutations, while often focused on the unusual and the extraordinary, ultimately reminds us of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. We are all products of the same evolutionary processes, shaped by the same forces of chance and selection. By embracing our shared heritage and celebrating the diversity that makes life so remarkable, We can create a future where all beings, regardless of their genetic makeup, have the opportunity to thrive.